Today, I'm going to show you how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. A credit memo is used when you need to reduce what a customer owes, such as for a return, discount, price adjustment, or customer credit. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create, then select Credit Memo. In the Credit Memo form, choose the customer. Make sure this is the same customer connected to the open invoice. Next, enter the product or service connected to the credit. Add the credit amount. You can also add a short description explaining why the credit is being issued. Check the date and tax settings if they apply. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks may automatically apply the credit memo to an open invoice for that same customer. To confirm, go to Sales, then Open Invoices. Find the customer's invoice and check the balance. If the credit covered part of the invoice will show a reduced balance. If the credit covered the full invoice, it may show as paid or closed. If the credit does not apply automatically, open Receive Payment for that customer. Select the invoice and the credit memo. Make sure the amount applied is correct, then click Save and Close. And that's how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online in 2026.